Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover the program to remove duplicate values in an array. So let's get started. So I have created this class and main method I have here. So here I have given the array which is given to me, and I have in the int n I have taken the length of this array, and I am calling this method remove duplicate, where I am keeping the array and the length of that. Okay, so here I have given the array and length of that and remove duplicate. Now here I have to write the main logic. So I have taken one res equal to new in array. So here I have taken one array. Okay, because I have to compare these both. Okay, so in int I equal to 0, I have taken arrays dot short for a, so it will short, okay, in ascending order. So for I equal to 0 less than n minus 1, so this also contains this for length, so it will compare. You can think of this and one more this, so it will compare. Okay, it will compare. Okay, so ai first one is not equal to ai or so this is compared. Here only it is compared, but I am just telling you, so this is compared with this one, then it will be compared with this one, then this will be compared with this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. So I have taken two rows to just to explain you. Okay, so it is compared, and then j plus plus means once it is compared to all the value, then it is second value is compared to all the value, then third value is compared with all the value, like this it will get compared. Okay, and j plus plus till n minus 1. Okay, then we have to print the rest type. Okay, so we will print it. Okay, control F. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's all are repeating. Same debug you can do. Debug Java application, you have to put the breakpoint at different places and you can check. Okay, okay, so you can check here. Okay, so with this I have already put a debug point in this, so I'm ending this one so that I should come out. Okay, so that I can work on mine. Okay? Just wait for some seconds. I should remove the debug point as well, so I am removing. Hardly takes seconds. Okay, okay, so now it will work. Okay, j value is equal to 0, we are shorting it, not checking the loop. Okay, I value is 0, now checking with I plus 1. So I have got I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, and I equal to 2, then 3, then j. See, that is getting printed now, pink color. Just watch that so you can understand. Now 4, now 8, and 9, now 10 times, now 5. Now go on to second loop and first value is printed. See in the console. So like this you can do for the rest. Okay. See, all the values are printed here. So like this it will work. Now if you have any question, please do comment. Please subscribe my channel and do like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.